What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you my new cable upgrade that I did, and we'll talk about a few things that I got in the works as far as getting a few things upgraded on the Jeep. So let's get this video going. So this is my 2001 Jeep Cherokee. I bought this about 3 years ago. It had a minor front end damage, and I've been slowly working on it, putting it together and making it my adventure vehicle. It's got the 3.5-inch metal cloak lift kit on it. Still has the original rims and tires. They're 31-inch Toyo. The open country, the mud tires, which I kind of don't like. Got the Smitty built front bumper with Smitty built 9,500 pound winch. I also got the Bushwhacker flat fender flares, which, you know, make the Jeep look good. And then we got the CVT Mountain Bachelor tent on top. Still a work in progress, still got a lot to do, but we're getting there. So let's go and I'll show you guys my big cable upgrade that I just recently did. So I finally did the big 7 cable upgrade. I went with a 4-gauge wire, and I put this whole kit together myself, but you could order it online. It's about $100. I just pieced everything together myself, made it a DIY project for myself. And if you're wondering if is it worth doing it yourself or just ordering a kit, order the kit. It'd be a lot faster and easier that way. The only different thing that I did from what the kits and what everybody else does, I did a 150 amp breaker instead of putting a fuse, just in case if something happens. It trips it, I could just reset it. I don't have to change the fuse or anything on it. But yeah, that's my my cable upgrade. I finally did that. It's a must for these Jeeps. Now the next on the to-do list on the Jeep is building a new custom roof rack. I ordered JCR off-road. They sell us, I think it was a 6-pack of the gutter mounts. They're the raw metal ones that you can weld and do whatever you want with them. So the plan is to get rid of these Yakima ones, remove these factory rails, and what me and Nick want to do is build a low profile rack, and I want to put a wind deflector in the front to try to make it a little bit more efficient on the highway, since you kind of got a big old sail on top. And then since we'll be doing that, what I also want to do is get an awning. So I'll have the tent opens that way. And what I want to do is I want to put a awning on this side. So that'll complete my Jeep, and I'll get rid of my pop-up awning that takes up space in the Jeep and make it a little bit more compact and, you know, less stuff to carry. So that's the plan, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.